In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform templates. By the end, you'll know how to find the right template, tailor it to your needs, and share it with your audience quickly and confidently. First, head to jotform.com and sign in. If you're new to Jotform, creating a free account only takes a moment and gives you access to the template library. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your starting point for building forms. From the dashboard, click Create Form, then choose Use Template. This opens the template library, where Jotform provides a wide range of ready-made designs. Templates save you time because the structure is already built. You just refine it to fit your purpose. Next, narrow your search by choosing a template category. You'll see options like forms for things such as contact forms, registrations, and feedback, and polls for quick voting or opinion gathering. You can explore subcategories, use the search bar, and apply filters to find a layout that matches your workflow and branding style. Before committing, preview the template. The preview lets you scroll through the fields, see the layout on desktop and mobile. And imagine how respondents will experience it. Check whether the sections, questions, and overall flow fit your goals. If it's close but not perfect, don't worry. You can customize almost everything. When you're ready, select the template and start customizing. Update titles and descriptions to reflect your purpose. Edit, add, or remove fields to capture the exact information you need. Drag and drop to reorder questions, adjust required fields, and fine-tune labels and help text for clarity. Personalize the look by choosing colors, fonts, and a header image or logo to match your brand. If needed, add conditional logic so certain questions appear only when relevant, and consider useful elements like file uploads, e-signatures, or a progress bar. As you work, use the preview to check readability and spacing, and keep forms concise to improve completion rates. Once everything looks right, it's time to publish and share. Click Publish to generate a direct link you can copy and send, embed the form on your website, or share it via email and social channels. You can also adjust access settings if you want the form public or limited to specific people. Test the link yourself to confirm the form loads, validations work, and submissions go where you expect. That's it. Log in, pick a template, preview, customize, and publish. You now have a streamlined way to create professional forms and polls in minutes.